Hey guys, what's up? It is Lynn here. I'm in my pajamas because I'm about to sleep, but I decided to record this last minute video because so that's something. Okay, so let's get started. Has this ever happened to you? Lolly dolly dolly da, I have so much slime. I play with it for hours. My slime! My slime! It's no longer stretchy! It's so dry out! My slime! Well, guys, here's a way to fix it. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? You might hear noise in the background because I'm watching a movie about a dog. Let me show you. That show looks so good, and I just love it. It's about a dog who runs away because he thinks he's making everybody miserable. I'm gonna cry. So the orange light is because of my orange thing. So let me show you how to make non-stretchy slime more stretchy, okay? So I have my bag of slime here. It's called messed up slime. My slime is currently not that stretchy. So what I do, this is a very simple task. Take some soap, and I just put this soap.
Tell the hipster giant I'm not interested in his peace offering.
He's gone. He got busted with fun out of sleep outside. He ran out the back gate about an hour ago.
Great. He has zero street smarts.
Where you going?
Now I put the slime in the soap, you see, and then I basically slap it together. It should look like this. After you leave it in about 2 to 3 seconds, you take it out right away. You see? Now this is what my slime looks like. It's the same slime that didn't stretch. Now, let's see the process of that slime. Do.
None of the strays the pound of city.
He's not at the dog park either. No look here.
Do. And if your slime is still, after you put it in, and it still breaks easily, add more soap, and it should stretch. If your slime ever dries, add some soap to it, and it should stretch amazingly. But you might want to stretch slowly. My slime is already wasted because I'm playing with it a lot, so that much probably didn't cover it all. No. Well, I hope you enjoyed this mini video of slime making, and I hope you watch this movie because it's just so. Oh no. Oh no. This is no. What movie is this? I must know.
What are you doing here? Please don't hurt me.
The name starts with an M and stuff. Well, I hope you enjoy the video. Ciao!